Hello viewers. In this video we are going to share 10 natural beauty products, which are easily available in our houses, their benefits and methods of how to use them. These products are used to maintain our body hygiene, to fight several types of bacterial infections and also to cure our damaged skin. So stay tuned and listen full video. If you find this video informative, then like and subscribe this channel, also press bell icon to get more informative videos. Now let's start this video. The first product is 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar offers health and beauty benefits with its usage tracing back to Hippocrates in 400 BC. This all-natural, all-purpose vinegar is rich in acetic acid, citric acid, and malic acid. Alpha-hydroxy acids, such as malic acid and citric acid, stimulate exfoliation by removing dull, dead skin cells to make room for newer cells. When new skin cells come in quickly, there is a decrease in blemishes, result in skin that is smoother with fewer fine lines and wrinkles. Malic acid also helps retain moisture for skin hydration. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar works as a skin softener, allowing for easy ingrown hair removal. 2. Raw honey. Honey is an excellent product for gorgeous hair, skin, and nails. Some of the nutrients provided by honey are zinc, potassium, thiamine, niacin, manganese, and iron. Raw honey is filled with anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial compounds. Together, the properties help with acne and scarring by reducing redness and irritation, thwarting harmful bacteria, and increasing tissue healing and regeneration. Honey is a natural humectant. In other words, it prevents cells from drying out by retaining moisture. This property allows honey to keep cuticles, hair, and skin hydrated. Mix honey with apple cider vinegar for added benefits. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a highly versatile beauty product. Historically, aloe vera has been documented as a natural beauty regimen dating back as far as ancient China and Egypt. It is reported that Cleopatra and Nefertiti applied aloe as part of their daily skin and beauty treatments. The most common uses of aloe vera are topically for healthy, moisturized skin and hair. The soothing properties can help reduce inflammation associated with acne, and provide relief for rosacea, moisturize cracked skin. For hair treatment, apply aloe directly as a hair mask and anti-frizz gel or mix with olive oil for a softening leave-in conditioner. 4. Egg. Although applying raw eggs may sound gross, people have been using them for thousands of years. The beneficial aspect of eggs comes from the protein. On average, one egg has 7 grams of protein, 4 grams from the egg white and 3 grams from the yolk. The proteins in the egg yolk are lipoproteins. Egg whites contain 40 different protein types including ovalbumin, ovotransferrin, lysozyme, and ovamacroglobulin. On a basic level, skin treatment using eggs supplies the body with amino acids to form new proteins. Going beyond the nutritional aspect, the albumin from the egg whites aid in skin tightening for shrinking pores, firming saggy skin, and naturally removing blackheads. 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is not only a great breakfast food but also a great beauty product. You can quickly cleanse your face using oatmeal and warm water because oats contain saponins, a phytochemical that removes oil and dirt. Make oatmeal part of your bath time ritual. Soak in a relaxing warm bath with a cup of oatmeal or fill cheesecloth with half a cup of oatmeal and 2 tablespoons of honey for a natural moisturizing bath. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, oatmeal soaks can relieve itchy, dry skin while normalizing the skin's pH levels. 6. Tea tree oil. Initially, the Aboriginals of Australia extracted tea tree oil, a volatile essential oil, from the native plant Melaleuca alternifolia for its antimicrobial properties almost 100 years ago. Nowadays, tea tree oil is used as an active ingredient in many beauty products. Tea tree oil makes for a perfect antibacterial and odor-reducing alternative to commercial deodorant. The primary ingredient responsible for relieving symptoms of dandruff, psoriasis, and itchy scalp is terpinin 4-OL. Terpinin 4-OL oxidizes rapidly when exposed to light. Therefore, make sure to buy oil packaged in dark glass bottles for the highest quality product. 7. Lemons. Lemon juice is a popular ingredient in cleaners and soaps for the same reason it is on this list. Lemons have an antibacterial nature. This helps lemons act as a skin cleanser and exfoliator. Because of the high acid content of lemons, diluted lemon juice using water or oil is more beneficial to avoid irritating or burning skin cells. Additionally, lemons are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C significantly helps produce collagen, thereby rejuvenating the health and appearance of the skin. Collagen is required for every skin cell to form and function properly. The antioxidative vitamin C from lemons can help fight skin damage caused by the sun and pollution, reduce wrinkles, and improve overall skin texture. 8. Rose water. Rose water provides beautifying benefits after drinking or applying topically. In addition to aloe vera, Cleopatra used rose water to keep her skin soft and supple. Even people with oily skin can benefit from applying rose water as a toner. This is because its properties include controlling sebum production without the harshness of chemicals. Rose water is rich in vitamins E and A. This is significant for moisturizing and brightening skin. The vitamins work together to remove dead skin cells, allowing new cells to flourish. One unique utilization of rose water is to give lips a natural pink tint. Apply rose water to lips using a cotton swab every night to nourish and stimulate blood flow in the lips. 9. Turmeric. Although turmeric has gained popularity recently for its amazing natural properties, it has been used for centuries in the Indian subcontinent as a spice, beauty aid, and medicine. There is also evidence of turmeric in Chinese medicine around 1000 years ago. As modern scientific research has only begun to look at turmeric, many people believe that it provides several benefits to the skin. A promising study found that the synergistic, combined, effects of gingerol, from ginger, and curcumin, a substance found in turmeric, help skin improve its appearance and function. The combination allowed the skin to heal faster. Additionally, these antioxidants protect the skin from free radical damage to collagen production. 10. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is nothing new. Its benefits and popularity have become so mainstream that it seems to be everywhere, including this list, and for a good reason. Coconut oil is jam-packed with antioxidants, moisturizing fatty acids, and antibacterial, antifungal properties. Coconut oil should become a staple in your natural beauty regimen. You can pretty much put it anywhere, except in your eyes, and get some sort of benefit. Looking for natural shaving cream? Or an eyelash growth serum? Or maybe a whitening toothpaste? Coconut oil is the answer to all your beauty problems. The best part is, you can use it straight from the jar.